Hi friends, welcome to Excel Festive. In this video, we are going to see how to use the Excel basic formulas like sum, average and rank. Okay, see here the student mark list is given. Here we are going to see how to use the sum formula, average formula and the rank formula. Okay, now we are going to calculate the total of the first student. For that we have to use the sum formula equal to sum open parenthesis and select all the marks scored by the first student David Beckham. Okay, and then close parenthesis and enter the total marks is calculated by using the formula sum. Okay, now we are going to apply the same formula to all the other cells to calculate the total of each student. Okay, now this is how you have to use the sum formula. Now we are going to see how to use the average formula equal to average open parenthesis and select all the marks scored by the first student and then close parenthesis and enter. Now the average is calculated for the first student is 62.80. Okay, now what you have to do, now we are applying the same formula to all the other cells so that each student how much average score is generated. Now we are going to see how to calculate the rank formula equal to rank open parenthesis and then select the total of first student. Okay, 314, select that cell and comma, then again select that cell and shift and control press together and down arrow so that all that column will be selected all together. Then you press F4 to lock the rows and column and then close parenthesis. Okay, close parenthesis and enter so that the rank scored by the first student is generated as a sixth rank. Okay, now I am applying the same formula to all the other cells so that first see the rank is for each student how much rank they have scored is generated. See, for the first rank is scored by Cristiano Ronaldo and second rank is scored by Xavi Hernandez. Likewise, it is the rank is generated for all the student. Okay friends, this is how you have to calculate the sum formula, average and then the rank formula. This is the Excel basic formulas you should know while you are learning the Excel. Okay. I hope this video will be helpful for you and please share with your friend who will be getting benefited with this video, the one who is started learning the Excel. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe the channel so that you will get whenever I have uploaded the new videos. Thank you so much.